Mrs. Noro. I come from Madagascar and I'm here for a month. And my plan here is to make know for people who live in Wales the history of my school, which is FGKM school in Abertawe. My school has for about 200 years old. So next year we will be celebrating this bicentenary of the school, and we are gonna change the name of the school into David Griffiths School. Why? Because David Griffiths was the first missionary who came in Madagascar. He founded this school, and for the sake of his name, it would be wise to change it into this name.
Wel, mae'n ddiddorol iawn, wrth gwrs. Mae hi'n gwirfoddoli yna a helpu gadw'r ysgol i fynd, yn gweud y gwir. A wrth gwrs, mae lot o waith i gael adnewyddu'r ysgol i wneud un addas i'r plant sy'n mynd. A wrth gwrs, maen nhw am enwi'r ysgol ar ôl David Griffiths. A wrth gwrs, bydd hwnna'n wych yn neud ar ei 200 mlwyddiant pan nath David Griffiths i Madagascar. A dwi'n gobeithio, felly, le a fi mas i weld nhw'n agor yr ysgol.
I dream of partnership with people of a school here in Wales. So the relationship between Madagascar and Wales will continue, will go.